Hi there, today we're going to show you how to restring the AutoCut 46-2 strimmer head for a STIHL strimmer. So first of all, when you've run out of line, all you have to do is remove this white cap. I use a little tool just to push the lugs in at either side, and that will release the white cap like this. Once that has come off, you can remove the spool and the side. You might just need to twist it a little bit, and that spool comes out, and that's what we're going to fill with strimmer line. So what we do is we need to find where the strimmer line is going to be held on, which for this head is near the button side. And then you're going to find the little gap in here to start your line, and then just neatly wind it all the way around that half of the spool. If you're not sure what direction to do it in, it actually tells you on the back here, so there's an arrow showing you. So we just wind that all the way in until that side is full. Just transfer from the lugs to the eyelets, then pop your base back on, and you can trim your line to your desired line, and that's it, ready to go back onto the strimmer. Here at Fraser Robb, we've got all the spare parts that you would require for your strimmer, so come in and see us when you need anything.